He ran in here though. He ran into Kyle's leg really hard though, and then he like shook his face a few times like he was shaking it off.
Bowser's terrified. Shaking.
Bowser got down real low, like almost like he should have tried to be like he was
Yeah, he tried to get down far. But like he's also like still scrunching his like
Gentle, Baba, gentle.
So
Good boy, be gentle. Yeah, gentle,
Good
Baba.
boy, Rosie. He doesn't know how to play with him.
he's trying.
He barked back at you. Benny's like, I don't know.
Why are you yelling at him?
Well, Benny was barking at him. Benny's hungry, I think.
Benny looks like he's gonna pee.
You got out looped. You got out looped to the butt. Don't hide behind me, Benny.
Gentle, Bubba, gentle. Good boy.